Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0977 refers to a malfunction in the Shift Solenoid Valve B circuit in Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This circuit plays a crucial role in managing the operation of the torque converter clutch by controlling the hydraulic pressure. The Shift Solenoid Valve B is an electromechanical device activated by the Transmission Control Module, TCM. It operates by opening or closing fluid passages to engage or disengage the torque converter clutch as needed. When the TCM detects an inconsistency in the return signal from solenoid valve B, it triggers DTC P0977 and illuminates the malfunction indicator light, MIL. Understanding this error is essential for diagnosing transmission-related issues in these vehicles. DTC P0977 directly references the Shift Solenoid Valve B, pivotal for managing the torque converter clutch operation. The Shift Solenoid Valve B is typically located in the transmission assembly and forms part of the valve body, which directs hydraulic fluid for proper lubrication and operation. Its primary role is to alternate fluid flow based on commands from the Transmission Control Module, TCM, ensuring the torque converter clutch engages or disengages correctly. The torque converter clutch itself is crucial for improving fuel efficiency by locking the engine and transmission together during specific driving conditions. When the TCM sends an on or off signal to the solenoid valve B, it operates the fluid passage that alters the state of the torque converter clutch. If the solenoid does not respond correctly, it can lead to performance issues and trigger the DTC. The potential causes for DTC P0977 can range from simple issues like a loose connection to more complex failures inside the transmission control module. An open circuit in the Shift Solenoid Valve B can occur due to damaged wiring or poor connections, preventing the electrical signal from reaching the valve. Additionally, a loose connector, whether it's on the solenoid itself or at its junction with the TCM, can disrupt communication and signal flow, leading to inconsistent operation. Another significant possibility is an internal circuit failure within the TCM, which would cause it to misinterpret the necessary commands for operation. It's important to assess these potential causes systematically in order to effectively address and resolve the DTC. Symptoms associated with DTC P0977 typically manifest as operational anomalies within the vehicle's transmission system. The most immediate symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, signaling that the vehicle's computer has identified an issue. Accompanying this, one may also observe that the shift position indicator light is blinking, indicating a discrepancy in the shifting operation. There can also be significant changes in transmission performance, such as slipping gears, delayed shifts, or abnormal sounds during gear changes. These symptoms serve as critical warnings to drivers, indicating that attention is required to prevent further damage or performance degradation. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0977 involves shifting the transmission to the P or park position. This action helps ensure that no external loads are placed on the transmission, allowing for a precise diagnostics procedure to be initiated. After positioning the transmission, it's critical to start the engine and wait for at least 10 seconds. This waiting period ensures that the Transmission Control Module, TCM, conducts an initial readiness check and begins executing its diagnostic routines effectively. This preliminary step sets the stage for further diagnostics, enabling technicians to effectively gauge the state of the solenoid valve and related components in a controlled environment. Utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System HDS tool is essential in the next troubleshooting step for DTC P0977. This advanced diagnostic tool allows technicians to communicate with the vehicle's TCM and obtain real-time data regarding the operation of Shift Solenoid Valve B. By monitoring the output commands sent to this solenoid, technicians can confirm whether it is receiving the proper signals from the TCM. If no signal is present, further investigation into the wiring and connections must be conducted. The HDS tool provides diagnostic trouble code histories, allowing technicians to pinpoint previous issues that might correlate with the current DTC, effectively enhancing the diagnostic process. After all necessary repairs have been made regarding DTC P0977, a critical step is the final repair verification process. Using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS, it's vital to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the TCM's memory. This action resets the system and prepares it for a fresh operational assessment. Following the clearing process, conduct a thorough test drive of the vehicle. During this test, monitor for any reoccurrence of the MIL or shift position indicator blinking, ensuring that previous symptoms have resolved and confirming the effectiveness of the repairs. This step is crucial for validating that the issue has been properly addressed and that the vehicle is functioning correctly again. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in avoiding DTC P0977 recurrence in Honda Civics. Regularly checking the wiring associated with Shift Solenoid Valve B can help identify early signs of wear or damage that could lead to future issues. Furthermore, inspecting the solenoid connections for any looseness or corrosion ensures that the electrical signals maintain a stable flow. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule that includes these inspections helps prevent operational problems related to the transmission. Taking proactive steps can not only extend the lifespan of the components involved, but also enhance overall vehicle performance, making for safer and more reliable driving experiences. In summary, addressing DTC P0977 requires a comprehensive understanding of the Shift Solenoid Valve B and its critical role in transmission management. Understanding its function helps in diagnosing the issue effectively, recognizing that both electrical and mechanical elements can contribute to malfunctions. Systematic troubleshooting is essential, starting with proper initial conditions and using diagnostic tools like the HDS to pinpoint problems accurately. Following a structured approach ensures successful identification and rectification of the error, preventing future occurrences. Regular preventive maintenance is equally vital in sustaining the performance of the vehicle, allowing owners to enjoy a smoother and more efficient driving experience with their Honda Civics. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.